Hey signers! In this video, we are learning 25 signs around the home. It is our hope that you are loving learning all about ASL while relaxing in your own home. If so, we would really appreciate you liking this video and subscribing to our channel so we can reach even more people in their homes. This video is made possible by our sponsor for today, Skillshare. More on them later. Now, let's learn how to sign home signs. Here is a quick mini lesson before we begin. If you are giving directions within your home, you can follow what we call signer's perspective. This is giving directions how you see it. So for instance, if I was saying my bedroom was down the hallway on the left, I am going to sign hallway and then the bedroom and point over to my left. As you can see, I'm pointing to the left side of the hallway. Then you, as the person receiving the information, would flip it in your brain and see that I am pointing to the left of the hallway. Now that you have a basic understanding of signer's perspective, let's get to the vocabulary. House. House. Make the roof and the walls of the house. House. Home. Home. It's a flat O going across the side of your face. Home. Door. Door. Your dominant hand is moving back and forth while your non-dominant stays still. Door. Foyer. Foyer. You fingerspell foyer. Foyer. Living room or living room. It's the letter L on your chest or the sign for formal room. Living room or living room. Kitchen, kitchen or kitchen. It's like the sign for cook but with the K or a shaking K or cook room. Kitchen, kitchen or kitchen. Pantry. Pantry. It's a side food and room together. Pantry. Dining room. Dining room. It's the sign eat and room together. Dining room. Since moving into our house, I have desperately wanted to fill it with plants. Now, for clarification, I've never really had a green thumb, but I was determined to fill it with some life. I started off slow with a few plants I felt confident I could keep alive. Well, it's a few months later. Here's plant number 1. Here's plant number 2. And plant number 3. It didn't make it. So, for Mother's Day, my sweet husband and kids got me a humongous fiddle leaf fig. The reality of keeping this beautiful tree alive sunk in. So I turned straight to Skillshare and watched several professionals teach me on how to care for it. I can now share with you that this fig is still thriving. Thanks, Skillshare. Skillshare is an online learning platform with a community of millions who love to learn something new, like how to keep your houseplants alive. You can also learn about various topics, including fine arts, design, photography, crafts, and ASL. You may even recognize a teacher. The first 1,000 people to use the link will get a 1-month free trial of Skillshare. So click down below to get your 1-month free trial right now. Now, back to our video. Bedroom. Bedroom. It's the sign bed and room together. Bedroom. Bathroom. Bathroom. It's the letter T for toilet, which can also mean toilet or restroom. Bathroom. Closet. Closet. It's pretty similar to the sign door. It's just used in the context of the sentence. Closet. Stairs. Stairs. You're using your 2 fingers and bending them and walking up the stairs or down the stairs. Stairs. Office. Office. You're making the shape of a room just with O hands. Office. Laundry room. Laundry room. This is the washer and the room. Laundry room. Garage. Garage. Your dominant hand is a 3 on its side, representing a vehicle, and your non-dominant hand is on top, representing the garage. Garage. Game room. Game room. It's the sign game, where somebody is going up against somebody else in a competition, and the sign room. Game room. Playroom. Playroom. It's the sign play and room together. Playroom. Toys. Toys. You fingerspell toys. Toys. Front yard. Front yard. It's the sign front and fingerspelling yard. Front yard. Backyard. Backyard. You sign back and fingerspell yard. Backyard. Patio. Patio. You fingerspell patio. Window. Window. Both hands are on their side, representing the glass of the window, opening and shutting. And you can show a window open and shut. Window. Hallway. Hallway. Your hands are showing the walls of the hallway. Hallway. Porch. Porch. You just fingerspell porch. Porch. Gym. Gym. It's G hands moving up and around on your shoulders, like you're jumping rope. Gym. Now let's put these signs into sentences. Where is the bathroom? Bathroom, where? When you finish cleaning your bedroom, you can go out in the backyard and play. Bedroom. Clean, finish, go out, backyard, play. In the mornings, I enjoy sitting on my patio and drinking coffee. Morning, patio, sit, coffee, drink, enjoy me. When the laundry room is a mess, I just close the door. Laundry room, mess, doo-doo, close the door. My house has a total of 4 bedrooms. My house, altogether, bedroom, 4. We hope you learned something new today. If you did, hit that notification bell so you can learn something new the next time we post. Now go and practice these home signs. And again, thanks to our sponsor, Skillshare. Until next time, keep learning how to sign.